Protect your apartment with smart, reliable security systems. Features like motion sensors, video surveillance, and 24/7 monitoring keep your home safe and give you peace of mind. Starting at number 1, Hiseeu Wireless Security Camera System. This outdoor security camera system features 3MP 2K resolution with pan-tilt control, 320-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical, and 5x digital zoom for wide coverage and detailed video. It offers AI human detection with instant motion alerts, two-way audio, and full-color night vision up to 165 feet, helping you monitor and interact remotely via mobile/PC. The cameras are IP66 waterproof for all weather protection, and the included NVR with 1 TB storage supports continuous recording and easy setup. Number 2, SimpliSafe Home Security System. This wireless home security kit offers easy DIY setup with no drilling or wiring required, giving you comprehensive protection right out of the box. It includes entry and motion sensors, a base station with battery and cellular backup, a keypad, and key fob, all controllable via the SimpliSafe app for remote arm, disarm, and alerts. Optional 24/7 professional monitoring with no long-term contract provides around-the-clock emergency response, and the system works with Alexa and Google Assistant for added smart home convenience. Number 3, tolviviov Wi-Fi door alarm system. This wireless DIY home security alarm kit includes a central alarm siren station, 5-door window sensors, and 2 remote controls for easy apartment protection. You get smartphone alerts via app control, voice command compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, and expandable support for up to 20 sensors for wider coverage. It's simple to set up without tools, works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no 5 GHz, and requires no contracts or subscription fees, giving you affordable, basic smart security with real-time notifications. Number 4, SimpliSafe 5-piece system. This easy-to-install wireless security kit gives you essential protection with entry sensors, a motion sensor, base station keypad, and key fob, all controlled via the SimpliSafe app or with Alexa and Google Assistant. It includes optional 24/7 professional monitoring with no long-term contracts, helping provide fast police and emergency response when you need it most. The system also offers cellular backup and battery support so your security stays active even during power or Wi-Fi outages. Number 5, SimpliSafe 9-piece home security system. This comprehensive wireless security bundle gives you whole home protection with entry sensors, motion sensors, a base station with cellular backup and battery, a smash-safe keypad, and an HD indoor camera, all controllable via the SimpliSafe app from anywhere. It includes optional 24/7 professional monitoring with no long-term contract and works with Alexa and Google Assistant for smart home convenience. Easy, tool-free setup helps you start protecting your home right out of the box.